We will start drawing the flower from its center. So as we can see in the center, there's a small circle. So let's begin in the center of the page by making a small circle. Then we have to make one more a bit bigger circle, and now we have to shade in between. After the shading is done, as we can see, there is one more circle in which we have striped lines. So let's make one more circle. Okay. Now all we have to do is make some lines. Let's begin. So what I decided to do was to give some space and make it look a bit more neat. Just make one more blank circle. So the center part is complete. Now let's move on to the starting of the petals. So we have to make small semicircles, a bit more than a semicircle. So after these semicircles are complete, we will begin by making an outer of these to color in between to give it a more bold look. So now the boundary is complete. Now let's color. As we can see, there are some more semicircles, but these are a bit different. So basically on these, we have to move from the middle one of one circle to the middle one of the second one, and so on. So after completing this, we can move on to draw the petals. So these petals are normal simple shaped petals. So we make them like this. Leave some space in between to make the border line. It does not matter what the number of petals is because it differs. So now let's make a border line. So after making the border line, we have to color inside it to give the petals a more bold look. Okay, so after coloring this, either we can make some lines like these, but I think let's try some new look. So now we'll begin by making these 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 small circles, semicircles actually. So we'll begin from the corner of the petals. So we'll make one, we'll color later. So we have to color over here, then stripes over here, then color over here. And stripes over here. And color over here. So likewise, we have to do the same for all the petals in our flower. So let's begin. So now it is complete. So we'll move on to the second set of semicircles, which is this. So we have to cross from one side of this semicircle over the petal to the other side. So this is how we do it. So we have to make exactly 5 lines to make 4 parts. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4, and the last one. So we have to make striped lines on the outermost. Then we have to color the third one. Then we have to make the petals which we made over here in the second one. Then again we have to color. Likewise, we need to do the same for each of the petals. So as we can see that the semicircles are now done. So all we have to do is make the last thing, the outer petals. So this is exactly like the inner petals, just that it does not have those corners joining the circle. So to begin, we need to make one single line like this. So after this is complete, we'll be making a second border. So if you have enough space, then you can make it within this one, or if you don't, you can make it out of this one. So I'm going to make it within this. So all we need to do is shade within this. So as you can see that we have shaded in this flower a lot of times, so you can use a thicker pen to complete it faster. So now as we can see, the flower is complete, but it does not look exactly like this. It's a bit big. So please comment down below how you liked it, and thanks for watching.